Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can fix Epic Games keeps on crashing. So just make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you gotta make sure that your Epic Games is up to date. How you can confirm that is just going to settings and make sure that you have these settings and it doesn't say that update Epic Games. So just make sure that your Epic Games is updated and it's on its latest firmware. Now, after that, just make sure that you don't have any background apps running. So something like this, just basically exit, and something like Steam, just simply exit it and make sure that you don't got any background apps running. Now after that, you need to go to settings and you need to go to Windows Update and make sure that your PC is up to date. If it says something about updating your PC, you just gotta go ahead and update your PC and update it, okay? Now after that, you need to go to Epic Games launcher settings, and what you need to do is just simply right click on Epic Games and then press open file location. And right here you'll see Epic Games, simply press on that and press on properties and go to compatibility. And over here just make sure this setting is turned on, which is disable full screen optimization, and then run this program as an administrator. Once this is done, you just need to press on apply and then okay, and you're good to go. Your problem will be fixed. So yeah, I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.